You're welcome once again. Let's talk about Google Vid. Google Vid is a new service or product under Google, and you have to come through the 9 dots on the upper right hand side to locate it. So I'm currently searching for it. I don't want to search from an already existing Google Feed file, which so this is the home page for a new video for you to either create by recording or you create by uploading an existing file in your drive or your local PC drive. You also have access to templates and also for you to convert slides into presentation, or you start from the beginning. Now, let's say I want to start from the beginning, or probably let me start from the options tab. Now, I have 4 options. Either to create with cameras alone, that means the camera will be on for me to do the video, to record, or camera and screen in order for me to pick the particular browser tab I want to use. So I'm going to cancel because I'm using an existing recording. So next, I'm going to come to this end in order for me to select again, but I wouldn't want to do that. Now, I also have access to do an audio recording. To do an audio recording. So I have an option is allow this time or just to set permissions. So I'm going to close this. Like I explained. So generally, when you want to start a video, you need the cover page, right? So I'm going to pick this. It's asking me for a title. Let me say Google Google Vids column from scratch. So we'll build into this. Now I want to reposition this to the center. I'm going to reposition this to the center. Now I come down to this place and pick horizontal. It's already in the center. So am I with this font? Do I want to change it? You can see some options here. Headlines. Now let's say I want to add a subtitle. I'm going to do like this. Can you see? And say hands-on sections or live section. Live hands-on. This is just for the practice. So I want to change the color. I'll come here to this font and pick a color that I want. Actually, I want a dark version, a dark color. So scratch, Let me pick this one. So if I choose to reposition, if I want to reposition so that it will align with what I have, can you see? Now I want to insert a picture that will go with it. So I'm going to come here and say stock and web for me to get access to the free versions of the images online that are available online for use. So it's still searching. What do I want? Let me say Google Vids um, icon, so to say, or something. Let me see what it's going to give me. It's actually not giving me what I want. So let me do a search again. I'm waiting for it to load. So let's go to stock images. Stock images. I can decide to pick either one of these. Any one of these is fine. Let me pick this. So I'm going to drag it to this place. So I say insert. Where do I want to insert it? I want to put it right here in the front. Can you see? So let's now move on to new screen scene. I only need to come here and insert new scene. What do I want to insert? Is it from template? Is it a particular shape, or I want to do an upload of a video or an audio? This is why I'm going to do that. So I simply come to this place and either do a record, or better still come down to this place and select which particular one I want to use. For instance, if I decide to use video paste folder, you can see the different shapes I can pick. Can you see all of them? So what this will do is for me to actually record and ensure that my camera is positioned right here with the recording. Can you see that? So I have the option to on camera or to do an audio screen recording. So depending on whatever it is you choose to do. Now, that aside, I'm also entitled to use templates. Can you see the various templates that are available? There is tutorial templates, there are invites, there are so many things that are really available. So next video, I will be putting us through on how to customize or how to edit a particular template in order for me to be able to do a presentation online using Google Vids.